Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna unboxing Eucos Tripod and Selfie Stick. As you see, it's a tripod stand. Here what the features comes with: 5.2 Bluetooth, separate remote control, you got 316 rotating, and is made by aluminum. So let's get unboxing. So here what it comes with. Okay, here what it comes with is the stand by itself. It's got a remote wireless controller, Bluetooth key. There's the head. It will attach your cell phone camera. It also have a Grow Pro. If you have a video cameras on those, you can attach to that as well. It's a bag you can carry on. You see. So let's see how it look like. So now you see, this is the stand. It's got a screw over here. You plug in with this, rotating that, and this thing can turn. I will show you in a minute. So basically, when you attach to it, you're just rotating this, and it will screw it in place. Now you can see it's attached. Now I'll show you how to rotate this. So if I flip it off, you see this button. So once you unlock it, you can swivel this just like that, and then lock it off by turning this knob on. Like, it's gonna look like this, and then you can adjust it with this button. For it will increase the widening the space according to your cell phone or camera. Like if you keep doing it, you'll see it's increasing its length, right? And I will show you, I will attach a camera to how it look like. So this is what it looked like after tightening it up. You use the same knob to lock it, as you see, and unlock it. And once you adjust it, this is what it looked like. It's look like more of a selfie stick, as you see, but this will can expand it. I will show you in a moment. What you do is this orange knob, you can rotate it. This, as you see, is lock and unlock. So if you rotate that way, it's gonna unlock it, and it will have it expanded as a tripod leg. So this is what it looked like once you extend it, and you can also lock the position by rotate this knob like I show you, that it have a lock and unlock. Once it got in place, you can lock it off, and it's tight and snug. You're good to go. You can expand this all the way. I will show you in a moment. This is how it looks when it's fully extended. Yeah, as you see it. Now this rod will extend up all the way to 62 inches. Let me show you. So basically, you're gonna rotate this to unlock it, and you're gonna pull this stand, and it will extend. However, all the way until 62 inches. So adjust your height, and one is got your desired height, you can lock it by turning this knob on like I show you. This way is unlock, and you have to rotate that one that way to lock it up. So let me show how it look like on its full potential height. So this is how it looked like on 62-inch. So cool thing about it, you can use it this much, extension as your selfie stick as well. Let me show you in a moment. Okay, this is what it looked like on selfie stick. If you just want to give you an example, you can also have this place where you can hold it put it in your remote control, and as I use it, how you taking the picture, you can just press over here just like this. So you hold it up, you can press your thumb and take a picture. Once you turn it on, it will blink, and once it got pair, it's good to go. You have a side bottom over here. You have a side button over here where you can turn it on and off. It's off now. And now the part of the cool feature, which is you turn it on, and you pretty much press it, and you see I'm taking picture. It's cool selfie, or you want a landscape mode, family photo. I think that's the ideal device. It's not that expensive. I will put the product link that I got it from Amazon on the links description. Let me know if somebody already used this product, how your experience, and if you like this channel, please like and subscribe. It will help the channel to grow. And also don't forget to hit the notification button. When the new videos I will upload, it will notify you. You all have a great day, and thank you for watching.